Hey, what's up guys? Pat Gagliano here from Finished Basements. This basement's pretty cool. We removed 3 columns down the middle of the basement. We have a bar, a sauna, custom made, bathroom, wine cellar, a lot going on here. You're gonna enjoy this one. All right, so over here we have a custom bar. We built all these cabinets. The area that we were in really didn't work for stock built cabinets, so we decided it was best to custom build. We got the floating shelves and we have the wine cellar, obviously above and below, storage as well, microwave built in, stone countertops. I love the waterfall edge. I mean, this is a real popular thing nowadays, but we put it here and here as well. So works out really nice, the pendant lights over it, nice seating tucked into an area where we had a little bit of a lower ceiling, but it worked out nicely. So we do have 6 seats because it wrapped around the corner as well. And we did this nice stone, check that out, on the face of the bar as well. A lot of times it gets blocked by the seating, but with these seating, the seats that we have here, it really didn't block it. So I thought that looked really nice and stood out. So just adjacent to the bar is where we built the wine cellar. Obviously it's not stocked yet, but the fact that it's just all clear glass and wraps all the way around. We had a structural column on one side, so we matched it on the other. And this is really sharp because it just makes everything look bigger. I'm really excited to see what this is gonna look like once we get the wine racks in there. All right, so this is where you come in from the garage. This is the main entrance for their home. The garage is down below and then the stairs, they go up to the house. So we did want to have a landing bench here. So we have the cabinets and a mudroom bench, put away the shoes. And when you come down the stairs, this is the first wall you see. So we got this really funky painting going on here. Really nice too because it didn't require a bunch of trim and more cost effective as well. So of course we opened up both sides of the stairs. We were only able to do it about 3 feet here because of some structural supports, but even this little bit does make a big difference and makes it look a lot nicer. So we actually have 2 walkout entrances with 6-foot glass doors. This is one of them in the kids' gaming area. It's pretty nice right here because kids can come in and out. They got the whole backyard. We have the ping pong table set up here. And then that leads us into the main part of the basement here. And you can see, this is actually where we took out 3 columns in order to set up this beautiful sectional custom wall unit over here. And then we mirrored that whole wall unit concept on this side and did the same type of thing. We got obviously storage and cabinets, and it really just takes a life of its own because they match each other. And we got the couch in the center, it really looks sharp. So one thing that really stands out to me a lot is what we did with the gym glass. Typically we were doing glass doors, sometimes a French pattern. In this case, it's frameless. It's my favorite way to go. It's just classy and you know, it just feels completely wide open. If you just look at the panel, we don't have grates and stuff like that inside it. Really sharp, and I'm gonna bring you in there because we got a great sauna in there as well. All right, so this is the second entrance to the back, and this leads directly to the pool, which led us to put the bathroom right here. This bathroom is pretty cool because it's a spa. We do have a steam shower right here, nice vanity, a private toilet, and then we have the gym right here. So if you're going back and forth from the sauna to the steam room, this works out really nicely. So we do have that glass wall in front of the gym, and also we matched it with this glass door going into the gym. So you'll notice right away we have a nice tray ceiling, and we have the door like I mentioned earlier going into the bathroom. Custom built sauna. This is actually a pretty large sauna, and they do have a nice use for it. They use it quite often. I was just talking to a homeowner, he said at least 3 times a week. But it was challenging because we had a storage room behind here, and between the bathroom and the sauna, how do you get there? Well, this is how you get there. Created this hidden door with the same cedar because everything was custom. We were able to do that. So this worked out really nice and completely hidden. All right, so that's a wrap on another amazing basement. And as that camera comes around me, previously we would have had those columns there. So really made a big difference getting rid of those columns and changing this basement. Super excited at how this one came out. Thanks for the follow.